And today we are here to learn the sports in single by language arts with V and L. So cricket is pronounced as cricket in single. Cricket is the same as in English. It's pronounced as cricket. Soccer, also known as football, is pronounced as papandu. Papandu. Soccer is papandu. Basketball is pronounced as Patsipandu. Patsipandu. Table tennis is pronounced as Mesapandu. Mesapandu. Tennis is pronounced as tennis. It's the same as in English. Tennis is pronounced as tennis. Badminton is also the same. Badminton. It's also pronounced the same as in English. Badminton. Hockey is also the same. Hockey. But swimming is different. Swimming is pronounced as pihinima. Swimming is pihinima. Let's recap. So cricket is pronounced as cricket. Soccer or football is pronounced as papandu. Basketball is pronounced as pasipandu. Table tennis is pronounced as mesapandu. Tennis is pronounced as tennis. Badminton is pronounced as badminton. Hockey is pronounced as hockey. Swimming is pronounced as pihinima. And thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, and please share this with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.